Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, you will see how to create the front elevation of a plan. So let's get started. So this is the front view guys. The height of this wall is 11 feet and this parapet wall is of 3 feet. This is the window of this bedroom and this window is of this bedroom and this small window is of this kitchen and this is the door. So this should be all aligned perpendicular to the plan. So let's finish the window and the doors. So we have finished the elevation. Now let's complete the dimension. So this is how we completed our front elevation of this plan. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.